Tesla owners can now view Sentry Mode, TeslaCam footage in car. This is interesting, isn't it? A new update headed to owners will make it a lot easier to watch footage captured on these systems. Hello everyone, this is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com, bringing you an interesting coverage from CNET.com. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and ring the notification bell so you may receive our next update when I have another story later today or tomorrow morning about Tesla. Tesla has offered its Sentry Mode and TeslaCam systems for quite some time, but it's never been very simple to watch any footage. Owners need to install an external storage device and then remove it to watch footage on a computer. This made it a little difficult. It's not the most difficult process though, but a tad tedious to be fair. Tesla has a solution to make things far easier now. In a new update pushing out to owners starting Friday, clips from Sentry Mode and TeslaCam will be viewable inside the car from the main touchscreen. Sentry Mode records video from the outside to keep an eye on things, while TeslaCam is a built-in dashcam. Tesla owners will still need an external storage device to save footage, but now there is a dedicated viewer when the car is in park. It should be rather intuitive, even though Sentry Mode captures footage from each of Autopilot's multiple cameras. The built-in viewer, according to the update notes, overlays recordings to give owners access to multiple viewpoints throughout the car's exterior. The electric car maker has been Tesla has been very busy actually since its signature factory in Fremont, California shut down to comply with the local stay-at-home order. Aside from this update to Sentry Mode and TeslaCam, those in Tesla's early access program also started to receive access to the enhanced autopilot system that can recognize traffic signals and come to a stop for a red light in the city. Well friends, let me know what you think about this if you're excited, and if you get this update, let me know how it works for you and your experience. Let's discuss this in the comment section below, and please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also ring the notification bell so you receive an update when I have my next Tesla update at Torque News channel. Stay good in good health, be careful and watch for one another, and have a wonderful rest of the day.